Another lovely day with the best builders in the UK. Let's take a look what Adam is doing today. Hey Adam, what are you doing today?
Today, not a lot. This is me finished now, I'll go home.
Oh, you made all these walls from the morning.
Yeah, already today. I've been here since 5 a.m.
Oh, you are crazy.
Yeah, we're best builders in the UK here.
Yeah. And they pay you per meter, not per hour.
Yeah, pay per minute.
Per minute, okay.
Yeah, £50.
Good man. So tomorrow from the morning you will do the ceilings, isolation, some missing plumbing work.
Do
Yeah.
the plumbing, tiling tomorrow.
Yeah.
Put the shower in.
Yeah, tomorrow is easy day because it's Friday, yeah, so make it easy.
Undo the screed for the floor.
Yeah. So maybe first doing the screed so it makes sense.
Yeah. And then they can move in Monday.
Yeah? Nice.
It's finished.
I will take a look what Sammy is doing now, yeah?
Yeah,
So,
see what Sammy's up to.
yeah, maybe he will painting tomorrow as well.
Sammy?
Sammy, hello my busy man, what are you doing today?
Painting.
Paint, yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
Let's take a look.
It's only the first coat.
Yeah, first coat, but high quality.
You're a good painter.
Look, lovely. Armster, the best paint in the UK. We just take it from the Poland because we just know it. They have the good paint, so we got it from the Poland. And I will show you guys what I am doing from the morning. I just finished the ceiling. My colleague Sammy, he was helping me a little bit. We done already at the fascia. I put already half of the isolation, other half is left, and I will crack on with the brickwork probably shortly. Yeah. So here's how we are working. We are not in the rush. We're just doing easy jobs from the morning, so we are not tired for some brew. Okay, so see you later guys in the next episode. Bye. Okay, Adam is he's done his work already so fast and so good, so I gave him another great work to do. Adam, what are you doing now?
Now I'm oiling thresholds.
Do I buy you enough of the oil color?
Yeah, you get this from Babyland?
Hobbycraft. For pro. Okay.
This is Sammy.
And this is Sammy. Sammy loves to drink tap water. How is your painting? Are you done already? No?
Gotta make more muck.
Okay. So I will check you later, yeah?
Because the last muck was very dark, wasn't it? So.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Adam, so you have to stain the
Yeah, the scaffold planks.
the scaffold plank as well.
Yep.
And if there left something, just give it to me later, so I will take to the shop and I will get some refund
Yeah.
on the end of the day.
There should be loads left.
Okay, so see you later.
Okay, cheers, BT.
Bye. Adam, please don't do it like this. Make it like you have to look like pro. It's a window of the owner behind you. Take a brush, right?
Perfect.
I match with the two color with your clothes.
Yeah, this is a good one.
Yeah. Now you're doing pro. I like it.